Good morning, students. A very good morning to one and all. I welcome all of you to our online lecture sessions 2020. As you know that already we have started second semester and we have started one new lesson as well. So we have started block 13 Vidhur's secret. This lesson has been written by Kavita Mandana. Okay, and already we have completed the first part of the same, and today we are taking the second part of the same learning plan 2 using the main ideas. So once we get done with this particular lesson or this lecture, we'll be able to make inferences about the story's plot using the key resources which we are going to use are S2 from the activity book, exit content book and notebook to write some questions and answers. And the keywords which we are going to see today are glistening, lure, problem, solution. Okay, glistening, lure, problem, solution. Okay, so we'll see these keywords glistening, lure, problem and solution. So just tell me what has happened in the story so far. What do you think is going to happen now? Any idea? Just think what has happened in the story so far. We have completed one part of the story. Okay. So what do you think is going to happen now? Vidur lives in a place close to nature. He likes the wild animals there. But when he gets a dog, he fears that it might harm the wild animals or they might harm it. His fear gets worse when he hears the news of a panther nearby. But the panther isn't harming anyone. So let's start the remaining story, which we have started already. Okay, so let's begin with the remaining story of Vidur's secret. Days passed, and the tea pluckers means those who pluck tea leaves. Okay, tea leaves are plucked and afterwards they are dried and we get tea powder. Days passed and the tea pluckers who walked past on their way home kept giving reports about the panther. It had been seen near the workshop the previous night. It was heard whimpering near the kettle. Whimpering means making noises and moving here and there, near the kettle shed of the school headmaster. Yet no dogs disappeared, nor were any cattle attacked. That was a mystery. Though that black panther was roaming here and there, it wasn't attacked anyone. That was the real mystery. Mystery means a thing or a person that is strange and difficult to understand. Something which is very strange and difficult, mystery. Okay, some suspense is there because though it is roaming freely, it is not attacking on any animal. One morning after breakfast, Vidur took his hot cup of milk out into the garden. He liked sitting on the lower branches of the tree, of the pine tree by the kitchen. He could hear Buchi yapping away excitedly. Buchi was just yapping means moving away here and there, jumping. That clever puppy had probably got the cook to come out and play with him or to give him a big bone. Okay, and that doggy was just waiting that cook will come out and play with him or give him a big bone. But when Vidhur turned the corner of the house, there was no cook in sight. But he found there is no cook. There is something else. Bochi seemed to be playing on the grass with another puppy, and it was looking like another puppy, a black one. As Vidhur stepped closer, he wondered whose pup that was, and in an instant he knew what he knew. Let's see. This is not a puppy, this is something different. This was no pup, it was a panther cub. Okay, it was a panther cub, just a few weeks old and about as small as Bucci. Immediately, Vidor realized that the black panther prowling about the estate was not looking for food. Okay, so that Black Panther, which was roaming here and there, wasn't roaming for a food. It was a mother searching for her missing cub, this missing cub. And here was the cub happily playing with Bochi, while its mother combed the hills and forest, sick with fear, looking for it. Its mother was roaming here and there in search of it, but here, this black cub or panther is just friendly with Bucci the dog, and it was enjoying playing with Bucci. So today you have to complete this homework only. Okay, you have to just finish S2, make a story map for Vidur's secret. You have to make a story map. Okay, so you have to complete this much. Today this is very short lesson, since this lesson is already short and we have to complete it in a passage voice manner. Okay, so next time when we'll meet, we'll take the remaining part of the story. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day to all of you. Thank you so much.